Today we are planning to go to Jabal Akhdar. We have started just now from Muscat. You can see we have taken expressway towards Nizwa. I have my friend here with me, Guru,
Hi.
my colleague Naveen, as you have seen in the previous video. If you didn't watch, please watch Khana Khazana restaurant review. Then we have one more friend, Sini Ibrahim. He was also there in that video. We'll continue our journey, guys. Please stay tuned. We are heading towards Jabal Akhdar. It's towards Nizwa, 155 kilometers from Muscat City. So we stayed here at petrol pump for filling our fuel in our car. So look at the view, guys, at the back. Look at the mountains, look at the mountains heights, look at the mountain reach. So all these rock mountains you will see towards Nizwa, towards Jabal Akhdar. Once we reach Jabal Akhdar, you will see green mountains, guys. Jabal Akhdar basically called by the name as Green Mountains also. So we'll take you with our journey. Once we reach over there, we'll show you complete area. We'll show you complete surroundings. Hi guys, this road is going towards Jabal Akhdar. Now we are inside. We hope to see checkpoint very soon.
Take the next left.
Guys, look at this board. Do's and don'ts for visitors. So once you are coming, please go through with this details. Thank you. Guys, this is a checkpoint which we were talking before. Here, if you are coming here, of course, for visiting Jabal Akhdar, make sure you should have valid passport if you are a tourist. As we stays in Oman, we have resident card with us. So all the members should carry a valid photo ID proof. From here, steep road has started, guys. As you can see, we are heading. Speed limit is 60 over here, and we are driving at 57. Till the time we reach Jabal Akhdar, we need to go through with this road only. But complete road is steep. That's why they are saying make sure you should have 4-wheel and all-wheel drive. Hi guys, we reach here, village of Sak. So these are the points which we have to take care while visiting this area. Let's see how things will go. Look at the view, guys. We are going from here. Wow, pomegranates.
कितना है देखो मस्त
Wow.
निकाल तो नहीं सकता है, इधर देखो निकाल सकता है, 2-3 बाहर है.
Guys, look at this one. Complete farm they have for pomegranate. Everywhere you will get pomegranate only. Hi guys, it's 1 o'clock afternoon. We are here in Jabal Akhdar area known as Wadi Bint Habib. It's 2 kilometers from here, but this is a old village next to Wadi Bint Habib. We are going there only. We'll show you what does it mean actually Wadi, why we call Wadi. We'll elaborate properly. And this Jabal Akhdar guys area is known for agriculture as it's 2000 meters above from the sea level. So because of rain, we have agriculture for walnuts, we have for almonds, we have for peach, we have for apricots. Look at the scene guys, look at the atmosphere, look at the scenery, look at the greenery. Today here temperature is 29 degree. In Muscat temperature is 41 degree. If you are ever planning to visit this place from Muscat, it is 155 kilometer and it takes 2 hours around. And guys, if you are visiting Jabal Akhdar, there is a one thing which you need to keep in mind for this area. Because of steep roads, you have to have 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicle with you. If you don't have 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, once you are going to come down to Jabal Akhdar at the checkpoint, are also from down once you reach at checkpoints. There are so many rent-a-car showrooms where you can take rent-a-car, and make sure whatever rent-a-car you are going to take, it has to be with the proper insurance coverage. So that's there in the guidelines also, which I will attach a photo in my video. Stay tuned with us as we are going to cover Wadi Bint Habib. We'll take you through with that also guys. Thank you. Guys, this is the area which we were talking about, Wadi Bint Habib. Look at the greenery, look at the area. You are enjoying Namina? Jumping like Jitendra.
I actually like these truckings. I like this mountain climbings.
Okay.
And I like to stay overnight here. I've been here before.
We'll come again for camping. We'll stay overnight.
And here the temperature goes up to 3 degrees, 2 degrees. At times it also goes to minus degrees.
When?
Probably in the month of November, December.
Oh, okay. That is the place guys where we need to go.
My phone.
That is the one which we are talking about. Guys, this is what we were calling Wadi Bint Habib. This is what they call Wadi. Basically stream, right?
Water.
So for running water. This is one. As you can see here, look at the area. Look at this guys, greenery. I'm here next to this cave also. We came from that side. Look at this one, top area where we were before. Now we are here. Cine is here.
Here only I am staying tonight.
That's good. We'll pick you on Sunday.
Caveman.
Don't stay only tonight. Stay there for 30 years, 40 years, 1000 years. Become a Baba and Sant.
I am a caveman.
What you will eat then if you are a caveman?
There is jungle fruits, leaves.
Okay, come. Guys, look at this. This is a walnut tree. We'll show you also. This is walnut tree. This is also walnut tree. We'll show you. You can see this one.
This is the main fruit. It's a cover.
Okay. You are talking about this one.
Yeah,
This green.
green one.
Okay.
So once you open this, you will get this walnut.
Okay.
You can see, beautiful.
This one. This is what we are talking about. Walnut tree. These are the walnuts. It's with the cover. We remove this cover, then it will be like that only, which we showed you. It will be like this once we remove a proper walnut. Look at this one. So this walnut we have taken from this tree. Yeah, I mean.
You can see a lot of pomegranate trees
Mm.
all over.
Okay.
And we just climb the mountain. We just come to this farm.
Mm.
It's a private farm where they're allowing everyone to come and have a look at this farm. And when we are walking in this farm and you see everywhere the pomegranate trees have grown, and you see a lot of fruits fallen down, and it's so easy. Anybody can pluck these pomegranates, but no one is doing it. It's so much all over.
Now
all
we'll
over.
show you guys about walnut. Yeah, go on, go on.
Come closer.
Look at this, guys. Wow, look at this. Break more. Healthy walnut.
Wow.
I have seen first time walnut tree in my life, guys. And all these fruits, they have pomegranate, apricot, grapes. All these, they are doing agriculture for these fruits here. Now we are leaving from this place, Wadi bin Habib. Hope you will enjoy. Now we are leaving from Jabal Akhdar. This checkpoint we were keep talking about, where you need to show your ID, your passport. Now we are leaving back to Muscat. Thank you, guys. Please do like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Stay tuned, guys.